I'm about to tell you what the best niches are in 2025. So even if you're a complete beginner or you're someone that's looking to change their niche, I'm about to tell you exactly what the best niches are for your YouTube automation channel. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Romayroh. I've been doing YouTube automation since 2018, and I'm one of the highest earners in the industry. And as of today, I help complete beginners and I help other creators scale their YouTube automation channels. So the niches I'm going to start with are niches that a lot of people do not talk about. But you want to watch this video till the end. And that's because I'm going to be revealing what YouTube channel made me $1 million on one single YouTube channel. Now, I have a school community where I teach people how to do YouTube automation. And in this community, I share a spreadsheet that shows all of the best niches to start right now. So I'm going to start with the first one, which is vintage Hollywood. And in this spreadsheet, I also provide the competitor, so you can just click open the link and you'll be able to see their YouTube channel. So Top Rewind is one of these competitors in the old Hollywood niche. If we go to their view stats, we can see that they've gotten 5.5 million views in the last 28 days, which they're underperforming by 41%. So if you don't know, 5 million views is about $40,000 to $50,000. That's how much this YouTube channel makes a month. Now, as for the content they create, if we go to their most popular videos, it's all pretty fucking random. Like, we have a video about the Pawn Stars, Clint Eastwood, another Pawn Stars, Barron Trump, the fucking Olsen twins. Like, I don't know, it's all super random, it's all super broad, and this is an example of a really good niche to get into, and that's because it's still celebrity based topic, which, you know, if you go on Google Trends and you search up the Olsen twins, I'm pretty sure they're gonna be spiking up and down. So every now and then these videos are gonna have whiffs of popularity. So this would be considered right in between evergreen and a trending niche. So it's not gonna blow up fast enough, but it's always going to have spikes because of what the nature of the content is. Anyways, that's one of the YouTube channels, but I want to give you guys an example of another one, and this one is a little bit more vintage Hollywood, and it has really low subscribers. So this is one of those small gems that I found that I want to share with you guys, because if they're making it work with such a small channel, you can make it work as well. I mean, this is probably going to be one of those new niches that appear. So they've gotten 1.2 million views in the last 28 days, which right now with the current RPM, we're looking at about maybe $9,000 to $10,000 in ad revenue. But you also have to consider that they're underperforming by 52%. So they probably average around $15,000 to $20,000 a month. And the videos seem very simple. It's a mixture of random old footage of these celebrities they're talking about and pictures. So it's very easy to do, right? And the way to not get copyrighted by this, and this goes across the board for any niche that you choose, is to keep it under 7 seconds. So if you want to play a clip of a movie that an actor was in, do not play it for longer than 7 seconds, okay? And then after those 7 seconds, you want to interrupt that with an image, right? Just throw a little random image in there, and then you can continue playing the other 7 seconds of another scene of the movie. And that's the easiest way to avoid copyright. Anyways, it's a very easy niche to get into. You can even see that the thumbnails are very easy to produce. I mean, it's literally just a white line, 2 random pictures, and yellow text. That's literally it. And if we go to their most popular videos, it's just a, what is it, collage? Is that the word? A collage of images of celebrities literally stacked on top of each other. So that's niche number 1. It's very good. I highly recommend that one. The next niche is the WNBA, and this one leans a little bit more to the trending side of YouTube because it's going to be kind of time sensitive. So I'm going to open a couple of competitors here that I have on the spreadsheet, and I'm just going to show you guys what the channels look like. So this channel does 1.3 million views in 28 days, and they only have 33,000 subscribers, and from what it looks like, they don't even post that much. So this channel originally started doing actual NBA videos, and that never really stuck, and you can see the huge spike of views. I mean, look how much they were uploading. First of all, they weren't even that consistent. They were posting about 8 videos a month, and then when they switched to the WNBA, instantly the average views that they were getting per video spiked up and almost 100x'd. So this is a very good channel, Courtside TV. Another one would be Hooprytics, and this one is another hidden gem. Okay, it only has 6,100 subscribers, and if we go to the last 28 days, 768,000 views, which is not bad. Okay, so if it's 700, they're making about $7,000 a month, which is still really good. And the reason for that is because of the current RPM right now. And the thumbnails as well are not complicated at all. It's kind of just adding that breaking news PNG, which I also provide for my school community. I have a full Google Drive with a bunch of PNGs exactly like this for you to use, and it's essentially done for you thumbnail templates. So these thumbnails are very easy. He's just grabbing random interview clips from basketball players. Now moving on to the next one, we have basketball top stories, and this channel only has 30,000 subscribers, but they are pulling 2 million views in the last 28 days with a 13% drop. And the creator of this channel is from the Philippines, and this thumbnail style probably works better than the other one. I mean, clearly you can see the average views they get per video is really good. And if we go to their most popular ones, yeah, it's still the exclusive and the breaking news PNG there. If we go to the oldest, this channel channel started 4 months ago. So this is a very, very new niche. Now this next niche I'm going to share with you guys is a little bit leaning towards quality. And that's because it is based on streamers. This YouTube channel hardly has any videos. Now I'm not a big fan of this type of content, but I know a lot of people want to get into it. So I'm definitely going to share it with you guys. And here is another one of these hidden gems. He only has 9,000 subscribers, but as you can see, his fourth video got 3 million views. His first video got 408,000 views. And it's very interesting. If we go to Dr. Mystery, this one's a classic. This guy has been popping off for the longest time, and he's averaging 3.5 million views a month, which is a lot of money. And they don't even have that many videos. They don't post as much because, again, it's leaning towards quality. Here's another one, Mr. Truth, 46,000 subscribers. Again, doesn't post a lot, but he has a video with 9.4 million views. And if we go to the last 28 days, he's also averaging close to 3 million views per month. That's way over 15, maybe even $20,000. I'm not entirely sure what the RPM of this niche is, but of course, that's a banger. But again, it's a very, very good niche to get into, and that's because streamers are not going anywhere. They're just going to continue getting more popular, and that's going to be the next big thing. So there's always going to be content and video ideas coming to this niche. So overall, I say you get into it, but start it on the side. Now this next niche is very, very interesting. I haven't heard anybody else talk about this. It is the car niche, and this is something I personally want to get into. This, in my opinion, is what the car niche should be and what's going to be one of the most popular ones in 2025. Now this channel has gotten 984,000 views in the last 28 days, and it's underperforming 44%. So it definitely makes over 10K a month. And look at how easy these thumbnails and these concepts are. Cheapest car deals to save 15,000 before 2025. Dealers are dumping these cars. 15 Christmas SUV deals. So easy. That is so ridiculously easy that, in my opinion, it's going to be one of the best niches in 2025, and I'm definitely going to go into this niche. Like, look at this one. 13 days ago, it has 112,000 views, and the title is 13 cars that could survive the apocalypse. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, this is creative. Like, it's still such a very young niche that hasn't been evolved yet. If we go to their most popular videos, they have this one 2 months ago with 1.7 million views, and it's titled, "Do Not Buy These Cars, They Won't Last 60,000 Miles." And the editing, I'm assuming it's just going to be... Oh, I wasn't expecting this. So it's random stock footage, random clips of commercials. So for 2025, in my opinion, car niche is the move. Now it's time for the last niche. And in my opinion, this is hands down the best niche in YouTube automation and all of YouTube automation history. And that niche is celebrity news. Now, this is my main YouTube channel, and it is in the celebrity news niche. I have gotten 207 million views, and I've made over $1 million. And here is the best part about this niche and why I recommend anyone to do it. Celebrities are always going to do some dumb shit that's going to be all over the news. So in April of 2022, when Johnny Depp and Amber Heard went to court, I covered the entire thing, and that month I ended up getting 25 million views. I gained 39,000 subscribers, and I made a total of $92,463. That was in 30 days. And if we go to the revenue, you can see April 22nd I made 8,100, April 23rd I made 9,100, April 24th, which was my highest paid day on YouTube ever, I made $13,856. That was in a single day. The next day was 12,100, and then it dipped down to 4.7, then went back up to 9,900 with 9,100 the next day. And this trial continued for a bit. So if I go to April and I switch this to May, in April and May, throughout the entirety of the court trial, I got 42 million views, I gained 64,000 subscribers, and I made a total of $174,000. That was in 2 months. And that's why celebrity news is so great, but that's not all. So 3 months ago, when P. Diddy got arrested, in the month of September, I made $50,304, with the highest day being 7,500. You can see the huge spike in ad revenue, with the last day of the month being $2,300. Now, if you want to learn more about YouTube automation, you can go ahead and click the link in my description or in my pinned comment to join my school community. And what my school community is videos that I have recorded since 2023 of every single little detail about YouTube automation, how I run my celebrity news YouTube channels, how I run my top 10 YouTube channels, and everything that you need to succeed on YouTube. For example, Mark is here. He posted this screenshot that he made $4,400 on his YouTube channel, and he started on October 28. We have people like Danish, who on December 12 ended up getting monetized, and he's already made $846. We have people like Wicked, who have already reached $5,200 in a month off 1.6 million views, and he started 3 months ago. We have people like Aiden, who started around September. I'm assuming he deleted videos, but it's a mixture of shorts and long form. He's already pulling 64 54 million views a month, and he's made $10,086. There's so many wins that people are posting every single day in my community, and it's due to all the things I provide. For example, like I mentioned earlier, this is a full video course for you to see exactly what my strategies are. I provide the list of the best 20 niches. I also provide the thumbnail PNGs for my students, and not only that, but I also have an extension that automatically writes entire scripts for you in the click of a button. And by the end of 2025, so many successful YouTube automation creators are going to come out of this community that everybody is going to know about it. So again, if you want to hop in early, you can go ahead and click the link in my description or in my pinned comment, and I'll talk to you there. Anyways, it's Christmas Eve. I should really go spend time with my family. The grind doesn't stop, man. The grind, it can't stop. All right, guys, talk to y'all later.